Well, this is our 86 Nissan 200SX. We are going to do a video test drive on this car. This is a cold start. I've not started this car in a week-ish. Has the worst ding ever. Cold starts like a boss. Hot starts are not that good. It's got an injector that's sticky and it tends to like flood itself when you shut it off hot. But we're gonna drive it to the store and put some fresh gas in it. Like I mentioned in the ad, the throwout bearing or something makes some noise. You can hear that. Well, it's not doing it right now. I don't know if it's the throwout bearing or if the clutch itself is just noisy. I'm not really sure what the deal is, but it makes random noise. We got a parking lot. I'll push it if it won't go. We've not driven this car like anywhere and shut it off and started it back and all that jazz. So it's all a first for us. Fuel door worked. Gonna give it some Berryman, try a vice grips trick. It says it cleans the fuel injectors. So I'm pretty sure one of them is sticking, so maybe that'll help. Alright, you gotta film me put the gas on. Should have put the horn button back on and blow the horn.
So the horn works.
The horn does work. The horn did not work like the last time I messed with this. Oh, it hot started fine. Maybe whatever was causing the problem fixed itself. That injector that was leaking does what it's supposed to do. Oh, the turn signals are working now too. I guess when I put the multifunction switch in, I fixed that. I haven't actually checked any of that since I did it. It even cancels. There we go. That's what I wanted it to do. Injector that it came unplugged.
Oh.
Now we have no more misfire. Take it around the block now with 4 cylinders and not 3.
Yeah, you could tell that like immediately when you did that.
Yeah, it's smooth now. In gear. Much better. Yeah, that's night and day better. Did you want to drive this thing?
No, I'm okay. Well, I don't know. Maybe.
Dude, I can stop at the dump place and you can take it.
You
or I can drive it down to the Herkenschall's dirt road and you can start from there.
Yeah, that'd be okay. We could do that.
The other turn signal works too, so they're both working. Apparently they didn't before. The guys that had this car before me asked me if I got the turn signals fixed, and I was like, I didn't realize they didn't work. But I put a multifunction switch in it, trying to fix the headlights kept randomly coming up and doing weird stuff, and the multifunction switch fixed that. Temperature gauge just came up. We have heat. We do have heat.
Yeah, it's got a lot warmer.
Yay. I was trying to decide if it was going to get hot or not. Okay, the thermostat just opened. The temperature gauge went just above halfway,
Oh.
but it came back down to just below half. So I'm guessing the thermostat opened. This car drives good. I got the front end alignment straightened out too. Steering wheel's straight when you're going straight. Yeah, it handles pretty good. It ain't no Porsche, but I didn't expect it to be.
Wow.
Those wide tires on that dip scrub a little bit. Yeah, this is an incredibly good little car. I hadn't drove it since I put the wheels and tires on or fixed the steer, the tire rods.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with
The
it.
last time I drove it, it was all over the place. Yeah, the heat's working. This is a good little car at this point. It does still need some TLC, but nothing major. This is all just small stuff. You wanna drive it?
Okay.
It's way warmer over here than it is over there.
No.
can't get like all of you.
Yeah, I know. Well, I had to like hold it all the way over there.
Oh, I have to do it. Let's fill it again.
He's just gonna have to wait.
I'll fill him back. I love the throw on that shifter.
It's very different.
Huh?
It's very different.
It's very comical in 80s.
It has 4 gears?
5.
Oh. We'll just leave it in 4th right
No. Once you get going, put it in 5th.
So many gears.
Never once has anyone said, God, 5 gears is just too many.
For reference, like my favorite thing to drive that's a stick shift is the blue truck because it technically has 4 gears, but I only use 3 of them because first is like granny gear. So yes, I know that's like terrible.
This is a sports car. I'm gonna get some frontal of the car going and then I'm gonna stop this.
Yeah, you can stop the phone. I just keep recording that one.
I just can't get over how much better this car is than like mid-80s small compact like American cars were hot garbage, and so were like the Volkswagens we've had, like the little Volkswagens
Yeah.
from this era really just didn't hold up that well. And this one's got over 300,000 miles on it, and it seems pretty good. Oh, that's a fuse box cover. I was trying to figure out what that was, and I opened the fuse box, and now it won't close back.
Downshifts nice.
Yeah, it does everything nice. Don't stall it right here. It makes plenty of power.
Yeah, I was worried about the hill start.
Yeah, this is a good little car.
If you're contemplating buying this car and you're a dude, like if I can drive it, then you can drive it. Like, don't be a pansy.
This is the outside of the car. It does have a big dent right here, but I have another door that goes with this car if you want it. It matches this fender. The body side molding's wrong, and it's got about 6 holes down the door that would need to be welded up if you wanted to like paint it and make it nice. I also have another hood. This hood's been at the front. I straightened it a lot, but it is bent. So I have another hood if someone wants to swap it. I didn't want to paint the car, and this stuff all matches pretty nice, so I was leaving it alone. I got the grill in it. It wasn't in it when I got it, neither were the marker lights. The headlights do work. The Supra wheels, I cut the centers to put them on. That was a royal pain, but it's got nice wheels and tires. This side of the car is straight. The back of the car to me is the money shot. I really like the tail lights. It looks like it came out of a video game, like mid-90s, like Nintendo or something, or like early 80s.
And it is tagged, registered in our name. We have a title.
Yeah. So, this is it. It does what it's supposed to do. I would still consider it a project, but it's a running, driving, solid project. So that's it.